firmly believe that as you get married and you've chosen a good spouse, and mashallah, you've made the right decisions and you've looked at the guidance from Allah and now you're married, it doesn't mean you need to have children ASAP. As soon as possible, we're going to have offspring. If you've chosen that in an enlightened fashion, alhamdulillah. And if it has happened from Allah, alhamdulillah. But if you could, I'd rather you actually gave it a little bit of a break to get to know one another a little bit better. This advice would not have been given to you a few decades back, but now it is. Because we are facing thousands, if not millions of children of divorced couples, broken homes, who are struggling, who've lost the path completely. And it was quite simple to wait. When I look at them, they were normally and usually born within the first year of marriage, sometimes the next. Why didn't you just wait a while? I need to make sure that I really believe this person is deserving to be the father of my kids or the mother of my kids. It's not haram from an Islamic perspective. No, not at all. Especially when you see the result of the mistakes people are making. They have 1 kid, 2, 3, 4, and after that everything is gone. What happened? You kept her pregnant. Why? For whatever reason. It's not prohibited. But why did you bring in kids when you knew there was something wrong with your relationship, or you were not yet 100% certain of it? It's not wrong. You cannot speak about raising an ummah without advising couples to say, be careful, hold on, relax. Don't just be so quick.